Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Emily Wamboy Busy at Home. I am so glad that you're here, and today I'm showing you how I make pancakes. And today is kind of different because I am not making pancakes just for today. I am making pancakes also to store in the freezer. One of my goals this year is to ensure that I have meal security for my family. That means that in case of anything, that I always have food in my freezer that is at least 15 minutes away from being ready. And so I want to fill up my freezer at least to the best of my ability. I don't have many eggs, and I'm going to make these pancakes, and this should serve us for 2 breakfasts. One thing that you need to ensure is just to make sure that all your ingredients are at room temperature, because you don't want your milk to harden your butter. You do not want your eggs to cook in the butter. Everything should be at the same temperature. So when you melt your butter, make sure that you let it cool down, or you can add the sugar first to bring down the temperature. You know what I really love about these pancakes is that they are so fluffy and they are very, very filling. So they are perfect for my family. So hey, let me know in the comment section down below, what is your favorite breakfast meal? For me, it has to be pancakes. And I think for the rest of my family, pancakes is just the best breakfast meal. And mostly it's because of this specific recipe of pancakes. When we discovered this recipe, my husband and I, we have never gone back. We love it. Sometimes we add cinnamon or cardamom, and sometimes we add vanilla too. But most of the time they're just plain, and even when they're plain, they are delicious. So I enlisted the help of my husband to fry these pancakes. And so thank you very much, husband. And so if you've enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and also give us a like. It helps to support this channel.